She's so wake up to my puppy. I love you, baby. Come on, it's me, Mama's video. Okay.
Hi guys, it's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then I hope that you guys like me enough to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you guys are already subscribed, then thank you guys so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. I would appreciate it even more if you guys gave me a thumbs up and some love in the comments below. I especially want to know if you like this video because it is something that I've definitely never done before, and I just really wanted to show this part of my life with you guys. So basically, if you've already read the title of this video, you know what it is, but I really just wanted to make a video like this because we are actually not allowed to have any pets over at our place, but because we do have a 2-bedroom apartment and you know, we just really love our pets so much, we decided to kind of sneak them in. The owners of our building actually already know that we have them over, but you know, we kind of like to respect the rules anyways. We don't want to get kicked out, so what we do is we interchange them. Sometimes we'll have them over for like a few days or a week, and then we'll send them over to our parents' place and then just get them back, and vice versa. So we don't like to keep them over for very long because we don't want to get in trouble, but we are in the works of trying to find another place that will allow us to have our pets. So without further ado, I'm pretty sure that you guys have already seen them if you've been on my daily or my monthly vlogs, but today is going to be a very special video because I'm going to introduce them to you finally and tell you guys the backstory of how we got our pets. So yeah, here we go. Also, by the way, I'm wearing a pug shirt because pugs are one of my favorite dogs. I've never owned a pug before. I am still hoping to own a pug, but it's a pet video, so I figured I'd wear a pet on my shirt. So I'm just going to set down the microphone over here. The audio is going to change a little bit, and yeah, let us bring on our first guest. Yay! Ah, okay guys, so the first little boy that I'm going to introduce to you guys is Tom Tom. Wait. Sit here, baby. Alright, there. There. This is Tom Tom, and he is... Hey, show the people your face, Tom Tom. Can you smile for them? Oh, you don't want to smile? You don't want to smile? Look. Ooh, your feet are wet. Were you licking your feet again? Alright, okay. So, our first little boy, his name is Tom Tom, and he is a Pomeranian Spitz. Try to just imagine how that came to be, or how that even happened to begin with. I am running out of breath because he's so freaking heavy and I have to pick him up. But yeah, this is Tom Tom. He's a Pomeranian Spitz, and he is around 7 years old, or he's probably 6 years old. He is Paolo's dog. All the dogs that you guys are going to see are Paolo's dogs. I have one dog. Her name is Meow, and she is a Dachshund, but she can't be with us because she's too big and she's not an indoor dog. And she is guarding my mom's house right now. So yeah, this is Tom Tom, and he's our little boy. He's a baby. He is like one of the sweetest dogs ever, but he doesn't like to cuddle so much because like he is fluffy and furry. But he's super nice. He's such a good little boy. But he's a little bit head shy, so we don't really know where he picked that up from. Head shy is when when Tom Tom is on the floor and you try to touch him by his head, he gets kind of scared and he flinches a bit. But he's a really good boy, and he's mostly like scared than he is anything else. He's like a little scaredy dog. But he is our very good boy, and he's so cute. He's like a little fur ball. Ooh. Okay, you want to get down? Okay, he wants to go down. He's really heavy. I know that you shouldn't have favorites when it comes to pets, but Paolo is a little bit biased like that. He does have a favorite, Cody, and so because Paolo kind of took on Cody as his favorite, Tom Tom immediately just became my favorite. And well, we really don't treat any of the dogs differently, but Cody is just Paolo's favorite because Cody was his first dog ever that he had and he trained. So I am so excited to show you guys like a few of his tricks. So alright, I'm gonna go get Cody. Cody, come here. I'm sorry, come here, Cody, come here. Come here. Up. Ah, yeah. So he saw me carrying Tom Tom and he got jealous. So say hi, everyone. This is Cody. Say hi. You wanna say hi to the camera? There. Oh, that's where you are. That's where you are, Cody. He doesn't care. Okay, Mama. I got lipstick. I don't want to kiss them. Oh, I really got lipstick on their faces. I'm sorry, baby. Okay. Alright. So this is Cody, And he is a Parson Russell Terrier. Let me hold you properly, Langga. Okay, wait, let me hold you like that. Okay. So this is Cody, and he has a Parson Russell Terrier, and he is Paulo's first dog. And he is around 7 years old. If Tom Tom is 6, then Cody is definitely a year older than him. And he is the big brother. And Cody is a very smart dog. He was actually supposed to be in the movie Patay na si Jesus. He was supposed to be Judas, but then they couldn't find a double for him, or like a body double for him, so he ended up not being in the movie. And they chose like a little Shih Tzu instead. But yeah, this is Cody, and he is he's like super like lambing, and he's like super affectionate. He'll lick you for hours, and like he'll cuddle, and then he's just like very mischievous, and like he's just like a little boy. And he actually gained weight, so we wanted to keep him with us so that he could lose weight and like gain some muscle. So I'm gonna show you a few of the tricks that he can actually do. Oh, you guys are gonna see the trash bag at the bottom. Okay, so this is like my beauty blender that I'm just gonna like use on Cody, but I'm not gonna give it to him. So Cody, come here, Cody, come here. Okay, can you see? Okay, Tonton, excuse Tonton. You want this one too? Okay, later. Cody, come here, Cody, come here. You can't be seen. Where's Cody? Ah, you almost got it. Cody, sit. Can you go get Tom Tom? He's really in the way.
Yeah, okay.
No, let Miguel carry you first. Okay. Cody. Come here. What happened? What's on your foot? Cody, okay. Come here. Sit. Down. Good boy. I didn't say shy. Bang. Cody, bang. Good boy. Roll over. No. Roll over. Good boy. Shy. Sit up. High five. Okay. Good boy. High five. Okay. No. It's not a toy though. I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm gonna go get you a treat. Okay, we'll go get you treats. So those are basically Cody's tricks, and those are the 2 dogs that I have with me right now. Ta-da! This is my last pet, but that I have right now. But that doesn't mean that we're not gonna get more pets. Maybe like oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Alright, there. Go. Alright, guys, so the last pet that I'm gonna introduce to you is Cotton, and he is a hedgehog. I also have a monkey, by the way, and his name is Paulo. Oh no! Paulo is the bear, and my brother and my sister are the monkeys.
Hey.
And I'm the piglet. Or I'm the rat, actually. But yeah, the last pet I'm going to introduce to you guys is my little cotton ball. And he is a hedgehog. And I've had him for about almost a year already. I think he's been with me for like, I'd say like 8 or 9 months. Did he pee on me? Oh, he didn't pee on me. And yeah, so I'm sure you guys are a little bit curious as to how to take care of a hedgehog. I really do like hedgehogs. Like, I've always had pets. I've always been around dogs. I grew up training to handle dogs at dog shows, mostly for golden retrievers. I've always loved dogs, or animals in general, but I've had like guinea pigs and rats, like white mice, and I've had hamsters my entire life, but I've never had a hedgehog before. So this was my first time to actually own a hedgehog, and once I got him, he's just like so super duper low maintenance. I really asked myself why I didn't get a hedgehog any sooner. But Cotton is his own character, and it's the daytime, so I'm not supposed to be handling him right now because they are nocturnal. They are mostly awake, which means that they're mostly awake during the nighttime. But days like this, like, he doesn't really mind. I'll play with him, I'll pick him up, but then I won't keep him for too long just because I don't want to like really piss him off. Do you want to go hold him?
Yeah, sure.
Here. Miguel is in the video, by the way. He's helping me. Thank you, Miguel. He didn't know he was going to help me, but he is now helping me. You guys wanted to know a little bit about hedgehogs. They do live up to 2 years. They are nocturnal, which means that they're awake during the nighttime. I only feed him cat food, but every once in a while I'll give him like super worms, and he really loves those. I have to go out and get more. It's just that I only had him like in this house for like the past like 2 days or 3 days, spa. So yeah, I'm still getting acquainted, and I'm setting up whatever I need to set up for him. What else? Yeah, hedgehogs are solitary pets. They don't like being around other hedgehogs, so that's why I only have one. And he's super low maintenance. Like, I give him bath every week, or sometimes, honestly, I'll only bathe him like once a month. I know that's really bad, but I do make sure to clean out his bin every single week. If I don't do it, then my brother and my sister do it because they adopted her or him for a while. And the next thing is, what else do you need to know? Yeah, you have to cut their nails. They're not sociable pets. You know, that's like the weird thing. And you can't cuddle with him. And the thing is, like, when he gets pissed or when he gets mad, he'll like pop and like all his spikes will come out. So basically, if you don't know what a hedgehog is, just search up like hedgehogs online or there. But yeah, hedgehogs are super duper low maintenance, but unless you really like pets, I wouldn't suggest that you get one. I have always loved pets, and I've always just wanted to give them like a really good life. I didn't see them as something like as a form of entertainment. I'm just not allowed to have as much pets anymore because, like, you know, because of our current living situation. But aside from pets, aside from like the hedgehog, I have had like a lizard before. I've had fish before. What?
Chicken.
Oh yeah, I've had a chicken before. I've always just had pets in my life. And yeah, basically that's it. Please do like and subscribe to this video if you like this video, and if you want to see more stuff about my pets, I will definitely make it for you guys. Just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. I'm gonna go now. See y'all later. Bye. I literally just held all our pets and then I kissed my hand. It's kind of gross. Bye guys.